Alarm, security, tracking and remote start. This Cupra has it all. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. So this has had the full works from Pandora. We have in particular the Smart Pro alarm system with additional remote start and also immobilization to the point where the customer can actually phone the car and shut it down remotely wherever it is should the worst basic case scenario happens. Now let's go to the most convenient feature, which is remote start. This works off the factory key and it also works off a mobile phone application. The application in position looks like this. So this is the home screen, so I can unlock the car, I can lock the car, and I can remote start it by holding that button down like so. Now when you do it from the factory key, you should push the button 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, and then what happens now is the indications flashes back at you to say the car is ready to start. It's going to go through a priming procedure and we're just going to wait patiently for, well, the loud exhaust at the back will probably hear it actually, just like that. So the car's now started. It's all locked, okay? Obviously I'm not going to go up the key because it's keyless entry at the moment because it will open, but the doors will be locked if I didn't have the key on me. It's completely immobilized as well. If someone was to jump in or smash the window and get in, the car would actually shut down. So a remote start is very convenient, but it's also very secure. This means the customer can have things like heated seats on, heated steering wheel on. You could leave the heaters pointed at the windscreen to de-ice the windscreen. Super convenient in winter. And also in summer, if you leave the aircon on, it will also cool the car in summer. Now, if we open the door and get in, you're going to hear the beeps to indicate it's unlocked. All you do on this car is you would just put the key, turn it to ignition position, and then drive off. That is it. Remote start is disengaged. You can then drive off as normal. Now, the alarm is very fancy as well. So you get an identity tag, which is that tag there. This, in essence, is without this tag, the car simply doesn't start. So you keep that on your person at all times. You can keep it on your keys, but if you want to be extra secure, you keep the key tag separate to the key, because without that, it doesn't start. So even if no one nicks the keys, it's still immobilized. If the car is driven off when it's already running, so you get hijacked in the car, so someone takes the car with the keys and they haven't got that, the car will actually shut down in motion at a safe distance away from where they've just hijacked you. So that's super cool. If they nick the keys and the tag, you can phone the car and actually remotely turn it off as well, which is also a very nice security feature. From outside the car, you can see its alarm because we've fitted a super bright blue flashing LED up by the interior light cluster here, and that basically will flash when it's armed up and it almost reflects off the whole interior, so it's really obvious this car's got an alarm from a distance. And from an alarm standpoint, the features it protects you against, you've got a shock sensor built in, so someone hits the car lightly, it gives them a warn away chirp on the alarm to say it's got an alarm and it's not just a blue flashing LED. If you hit it hard enough, then the alarm will fully trigger, and when the alarm fully triggers, it will actually ring you to say the alarm's going off. So if you're not in earshot of your car when the alarm's triggered, you're going to know it's going off, so you can either go back to the car, or if it's too far away, maybe ring someone that's closer to your car to say, look what's going on. It's got, as well as a shock sensor, you've got tilt and motion sensor, so if someone jacks the vehicle up to nick the wheels or tow the car away, that's also protected. And you've also got interior movement sensors, so if someone smashes the window and gets in as well, fully protected that way. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it's a tracker, so when you go on the app, you can see exactly where the car is in relation to your position as well, so you get a fully fledged tracker built into it. It's not a factory approved tracker, but it's extremely handy for you as a person to know where your car is should the worst case scenario happen. Now, in terms of Pandora security, obviously I'm not going to go into the technical jargon, but it's 128-bit encryption. It's extremely complicated. You can't copy these tags, you can't relay attack these cards, you can't amplify these tags. Extremely secure, so without that, it doesn't start. It's as simple as that. we're going to finish that video there because there's not much more to say at the moment on this. If you want to know more about the Pandora, we have them on 3 of our demo cars here, so you can actually come in and get a demonstration on the actual Pandora working and show you the app and show you the remote start and everything related to it. You can contact us on info@johncleese.com. You can subscribe to our channel and drop a comment and we'll reply there, or you can message us on WhatsApp via a very handy number that's on our johncleeseaudio.com's website. But for now, that's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio signing off. See you later.